In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Virtual Camera for Google Meet. Using OBS as your camera in Google Meet lets you bring in your scenes, overlays, and visual effects so your meetings look polished and professional. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it so you can get everything working smoothly. Start inside OBS Studio. Make sure your scene looks the way you want it to appear in the meeting, your camera source is visible, any overlays or lower thirds are placed correctly, and the preview shows exactly what you expect. When you're ready, look for the virtual camera control and press Start Virtual Camera. This tells OBS to broadcast whatever you see in the preview as a camera feed that other apps can use. And keep OBS open while you're using it. If you close it or stop the virtual camera, Google Meet won't see the feed. Now move over to Google Meet. You can do this before joining a meeting or once you're inside one. Open settings so you can choose your video devices. Inside settings, go to the video section to manage your camera options. In the camera dropdown, select OBS Virtual Camera. Once you choose it, the preview in Google Meet should switch to the exact output from your OBS scene. If you're using graphics, background plates, or a picture-in-picture layout, you'll see them here. Remember that audio is separate. OBS Virtual Camera sends video only, so set your microphone in the audio section to whichever mic you want to use. At this point, you should see your OBS overlay and layout live in Google Meet. Switch scenes in OBS and Meet will update instantly. If your image appears mirrored in the self view, that's normal. Google Meet mirrors your preview, but everyone else sees it correctly. If you see a black screen, double check that Start Virtual Camera is active in OBS and that the correct scene is selected. Also, close any other apps that might be using your webcam if the option doesn't show up. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Match your OBS canvas resolution to what your computer can comfortably handle for video calls, and avoid very heavy effects on lower-powered machines. If your camera looks cropped, adjust your source transform in OBS rather than in Meet so your layout remains consistent. That's it. Start the virtual camera in OBS, select it in Google Meet's video settings, and enjoy a clean, controlled look for your calls. Thanks for watching and have a great meeting.